think the UK is by far the best place in the world to start, build, and scale a fintech business.
I think what the UK fintech sector has done a fantastic job is continually focusing on the customer.
The traditional bank has to raise the bar and develop more digital proposition. At the end, it's all in the benefit of customers.
Growing up in the United States, I was very exposed to different financial inequalities, and I've been very passionate about how technology in particular can help drive inclusion. I came to the UK just over 15 years ago. To me, London is the very best city in the world. You've got people coming from all parts of the globe, and that brings a diversity that has so much energy and excitement. And UK FinTech is very much a microcosm of that same type of energy. The concept of financial technology has actually been around for decades, but it was post the financial crash of 2007 that you started to see these new companies pop up. FinTech's arrived, offering different ways for people and small businesses to manage their money. London is an incredible hub for FinTech. We are a global financial center here, and you combine that with phenomenal skills, talent, and individuals wanting to work in the space, and London is a city like no other for FinTech. We receive more investment in the UK than any other place in the world, bar the United States. And in 2025, we're ahead of the next 5 European countries combined in terms of investment. That's a real testament to the strength of our ecosystem, of our founders, and also of the government support and the regulatory support as well. Innovate Finance is the independent industry body for UK FinTech. We represent the next generation of technology-led innovators across the entirety of the United Kingdom and trying to create a more inclusive and a more democratic financial services sector.
When I was growing up in India, money became a challenge for us as a family. That is something that left a deep imprint in my approach to life in terms of understanding the importance of money in someone's life. The idea behind Zopa initially was, what if we directly connected those people who had money with those who wanted money? What customers wanted was that efficiency and ease, but they also wanted more simplicity. Zopa was the world's first peer-to-peer lender, and today we're a full-spectrum digital bank. By encouraging savings, by encouraging investment from people in the UK, what we are hoping to deliver is a generation that actually is financially more secure.
So I'm Italian, and I live in London now since a very long time, and I've been in banking all my life. I think probably these are 3 things you need to know. In 2015, the entry point for Revolut was a card that would allow people to travel a lot to exchange money in a much more convenient way, and effectively charge no markup. If you fast forward to today, 2026, we are operating in 40 countries with more than 70 million customers. What that means is effectively moving from a successful disruptor to become really a global financial player in the industry.
Francesca from Revolut and Jada from Zopa are 2 phenomenal examples of individuals that are leading some of the most exciting UK fintechs today. Are there any challenges that are particular to UK fintech?
For me, it would be to continue the pace of innovation. We need to make sure we don't lose the innovation DNA, disruptive DNA.
So what value is UK FinTech creating for the next generation?
I think we offer better opportunities for customers. So if you look at the average FinTech, it's typically delivering 2 times the interest rate that an incumbent would give on people's savings. I think we are delivering better financial value for our customers.
I think FinTech has been a game changer. It's kind of democratized finance. Today, you can just go on up and start investing in stocks, which is incredible. And in terms of wealth creation, it's one of the top employers right now in the UK, the fintech sector overall.
Also, the UK has one of the highest adoption rates in the world for fintech. I think it's 8 out of every 10 adults in the UK are using at least one fintech tool on a regular basis. I think in 2024, fintech was the segment within financial services that saw the highest job creation and job growth. So it's unbelievable.
Today, fintech is attracting talent from all over the world. It has positioned UK actually on the global map for tech innovation in financial services.
Innovate Finance is trying to support the entire ecosystem of founders and entrepreneurs and FinTechs to create that more positive future for financial services, for consumers, and for the economy of the UK.